Hey guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. This is gonna be a Christmas video. Hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, click the like button, and if you want you can support to this or donate to this channel as well. But anyway, so I am getting loaded right now. I don't know if you guys can see. I am too lazy to grab a GoPro, but if you guys can see, there's the red light. I'm getting loaded. This is all in reverse, but yeah, so I'm getting loaded. So I am in a Freightliner Columbia glider kit 2013 of a Detroit 60 series. Very nice motor. This loud as I don't know what, but let's just say, guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. This could be a Christmas special. I may do a New Year special. We'll see. Oh, and they're coming for my paperwork. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Gonna quickly update. Now, this is for 2021. If you're a trucker, especially if you're owner-operator or running a 1099, and especially if Biden is president. I don't care who's president, trucking-wise. But especially, let's put politics aside, especially if Biden is president, just so you know, your tax is going to be higher. So write up as much stuff as you can for your taxes. Keep every receipt and everything like that. Make sure you write things down because it's going to be tough with higher taxes for owner-operators. I don't care what they say about that $500,000 thing. It's going to affect everyone and not just you. So as for truckers, 2021, if you are a owner-operator or running a 1099, make sure you have extra cash saved up, and also make sure you're writing as many things as down as possible. All the mileage, every single receipt, food receipts, if you're over the road and everything. I mean, it's $50 a day, but keep it as proof so that they have nothing to say against you. And yeah, write everything up, showers, everything. Just don't miss anything out because it's gonna be very important in the end. Make sure you write everything up because I'm telling you, you're gonna regret it if you don't, especially after year 2021, because your taxes is gonna be affected big time. And that's all I got for today. I'm Eddie V. Keep on trucking, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll see you next time.